Hi guys, welcome to today's live internet trading. So right now I'm buying Indus India Bank in the market level now around 1263. So in the market level I have just bought it. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so plan to keep the target up to like 6 or 7 points. So according to the market movement and how the stock will perform, we'll decide and take the exit. So anyhow, you have bought it now around 1263 level. So let's see how the stock will perform. And right now the market looks a bit of a bullish today, 0.30% up. So the market is in a good support level. So if the market continues to go up, then we can continue to hold the stock as we are in the buy side. So 1262 as of now, and the high made as of now is 1264. So once it is able to break that high of 1264, then we can expect some of the fast movement to happen, is what my view is. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so yes, currently it's still around 1261. Not much of a bullish movement has come here yet. So let's wait for the stock to give that bullish move. Okay, so it's still looking like a bit of a range bounded 1262 to 1263 again. So yes, anyway, let's wait for the stock to perform, guys. Okay, so just selected the stock and the opening price was 1256.45 and the high made was 1264 and the low made is just 1255. So it just went 2 points low and it has taken a support in the opening itself. So let's see how the stock will perform. And guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So it's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite fast food or a snack in a month. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So once you join us, you will be able to make the trades like this, and also you will be getting the live trades like this. Okay, the trade what you're seeing now also, it's without indicators, and once you join us, I'll be guiding you the same techniques of selection of the stock and how to buy, how to sell, everything I'll be guiding you even in the live market. Okay, so guys, yes, as of now the stock has come up and it is trading around 1265, and yes, before that the stock did go like 3 to 4 points down. As the stock priced is above 1000, so it is trading around 1265 around. So the stock which are having the stock price which are above 1000, we can expect easily 3 to 4 points up and down. Okay, and the reason why I held this stock is, you can see at the top left, the market is now close to 0.65% up. That means the market is also going higher. Even though the stock is coming down, that means the stock can take a support and go up. So that was the reason why I held it, and now you can see that it has come up. Yes, 1268 is a new low what it has made, so it can touch 1270 also. Okay, so guys, yes, right now it has made a high of 1268.95, 1269.50. Yes, our target is almost touched, guys. So I'll just take my exit now and I'll update you guys about the trade. So as you guys can see, the stock made a high of 1269.50 and I just took my exit by booking almost like 6 to 7 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Indus India Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. Okay, so you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.